Hi, it's Ellie. Um, I'm gonna do a review on how to do this pretty nail art. I called it a sunny day with a bird, and it's pretty simple. I'm gonna start off by telling you which ones we're gonna use, which nail polishes. We're gonna use first of all the ceramic base and top coat from Chi. The Sally Hansen Hardest Nails Extreme Wear nail color. Blew me away. That's the color. Right there. You can see it. And then the sun, we're gonna do it with this Stripe Right in yellow. Got it at Sally's Beauty Supply. The bird, we're gonna draw it with this LA Art Deco. I got it at either the dollar store or Casahuero, you can find it. And this glittery clean color, it's just a generic brand. I got it downtown for 50 cents. It's like 50 cents, $1, about $4, $2, and I'm guessing these cost around $5. This one came with a kit that I bought. It came with my ceramic tree hair iron, so I'm not sure how much this one would cost, but it's ceramic base and top coat. It's really good. It helps the paint stay on for a good amount of time. So first off, you start by applying your base coat, and that's what I'm gonna do. Here. You want to have for doing this, you might want to have your tools open. That way you don't have to be worrying about opening them. I have them all open already. This one, it's done. So you let that dry. You don't have to do a really extremely good job on that. It's just base coat so that the nail doesn't get damaged by the nail polishes. You let it dry for a while. In the meantime, I'm gonna put music. So I'm guessing it's kind of dry already. So next I'm going to apply the Blew Me Away Sally Hansen Extreme Wear nail polish. And it's pretty simple. It's pretty simple to just do it the best way possible. I do it from the edge. Oops, I stained. I do it from the edge to the outside, to avoid dropping like I just did. Make sure you remove any excess paint from the brush. I do it like so, from the start of my nail to the tip. We all have different methods of doing this. It's pretty simple and basic. You want to do it the best way it fits for you, for your nails, for your however you feel comfortable doing it. That's how you can do it. And so you do each nail. You do all the nails that way. I'm having kind of a trouble with this one because it's already kind of wearing out. I've been using it for several things. This nail polish gets kind of sticky. A tip to solving that, in case you're out of budget like I am. No, I'm just kidding. But it'll be, you can add some nail polish remover to the bottle. But I'm not gonna do that right now. I'll do that later. Or I might just go and buy another one. Similar color or the same color. This color is pretty and it goes with a lot of different things. I have tried different styles of nails. I've tried zebra, cheetah. I've done the sea. I did them on my toes. I did the sea with fishes, fish stickers. I've done flowers with it. It's very pretty. I really like it. It's like a babyish blue. It's not exactly a turquoise blue. It's real pretty. So there. So I'm gonna let that dry and put in some more music while it dries up. So I think they are about dry. So the next part is to add the sun. I'm gonna add the sun. And you get just enough of it. Not too much, not very little, just enough. And you're gonna do it at the tip. You can either do it this tip of the nail or at this tip, either the left or the right. I'm gonna do these on the outer part, like towards the outer part, this side. So you just grab your brush and you make a small semicircle wherever, however big you want your sun to be. I don't want it too big because my nails are kind of small already. So that's about the size that you do it. And you can do it for every nail. To start off, just do the ball of the sun, like that. They don't all have to be exactly the same size. And it's not a half circle, it's about a quarter of a circle. Like that, you see? So after that, you do the race. You get a little bit more paint and you do the race. Now you're gonna do strikes and you're gonna be alternating one long strike, one small strike. So you do it. I'm gonna do it here because I need to press down. You do a long strike, short strike, long strike, short strike. Okay, since my nails are short, I'm not gonna do that many strikes. The more strikes, the prettier it looks. Depends on your taste and on your nails. There. Now, the next step is to do the bird. For the bird, you're going to use white. The white nail polish that you have. I could choose to use this one, but I think I work best with my tip dot tool and go to Aunt Sally's. So I'm just going to grab some of this paint and I'm going to put it on a plain small sheet of paper. It's from a notepad. I use them. And you're going to just drop on there. I'll put it aside, and with the tip tool we can get some, just about that much, and you start doing your bird. You can do it several and do it in half circles depending on where you want it. We can do it anywhere on the blue side. Gotta have enough. But there's a seagull. Yay! You start doing numbers 3s. There. And I have it almost done. I'm almost done. Now I'm only gonna have to apply the last part, which is the glitter. If you don't want glitter, you can apply just the top coat, but I'm gonna apply glitter as my top coat. I'm waiting for this is the last touch, just to cover it up and make it look pretty and glittery. Now that I think about it, the seabirds look more like clouds, so I'll just say they are clouds. And I'm about done. That's about it. I think my next one will be, I will soon be posting up more nail art, so keep watching. Thanks.